Visit
Hello
ACEMAGIC.com
everyone,
to
this
learn
is
more.
ACEMAGIC. Today we'll show you how to deploy OpenClaw on Windows with local AI models. We're using our Retro X5 with HX370 for this demo. Alright, let's get OpenClaw up and running. Step 1
Visit
is install
ACEMAGIC.com to learn more.
Node.js and npm. Open a terminal and run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. This simply updates all the packages on your system. Next, we add the node source repository so we can install the latest node.js LTS version. Run curl-fsslhttps://deb.nodesource.com/setup_lts.xpipe sudo-e-bash-. This script will automatically configure everything we need. Node.js with sudo apt install node.js-y. The -y flag just confirms the installation automatically. npm will be installed together with node.js. Let's check if everything is installed correctly. Run node-v npm-v. Now we're ready to install OpenClaw. Run this command, sudo npm install-g OpenClaw at latest. This installs the latest version of OpenClaw globally on your system. Once the installation is done, we can launch OpenClaw and start the setup wizard. Install-daemon. This will start the OpenClaw configuration interface. You'll first see a security prompt asking if you want to continue. Select yes and press enter. Next, choose Quick Start and press enter again. We need to choose a model provider. We'll select z.ai. Choose it and press enter. Next, select the authentication region. Here we'll choose CN, then press enter. Now OpenClaw will ask for your API key. Select Paste API key now. Then paste the key you received from your model provider. Quick reminder, don't share your API key with anyone. If it gets leaked, someone else could use it and rack up charges on your account. Next, you'll see the skills configuration screen. We're going to skip this for now and configure it later if needed. Select no, then press enter. After that comes the hooks configuration. Again, We'll skip this step. At this point, all the configuration steps are complete. OpenClaw will tell you that the installation was successful and ask if you want to restart the service. OpenClaw will display the web UI address, which is http://127.0.1:18789. You'll also see an access token. Make sure to copy this token because we'll need it in the next step. Open a browser and go to http://127.0.1:18789. You can now interact with OpenClaw directly from the web interface, give it instructions, and start using your AI agent. And that's it. Your OpenClaw setup is now complete.
Visit acemagic.com to learn more.